Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make beautiful dot mandala art on tea coasters. Here I have taken plain MDF round coasters of size 4 inches each. They are a set of 4 coasters and I am going to give a uniform design to the coasters. I have painted the coasters black. Now how to find the center of the coasters. We take a plain white sheet and mark the circumference of the coaster by pressing the sheet. Now take a scissors and cut along the circle. Fold it into half. Again fold it into half. And again another fold. Make a small dot with the scissors in the center. Now place the sheet on the coaster. This is the center of the coaster. Mark according to the folds on the paper and draw lines passing through the center. Draw a horizontal line, vertical line and 2 diagonal lines. Take a scale on the horizontal line, mark at half inch, 1 inch and 1.5 inch. With a compass, draw circles on the markings. Repeat the markings on all the coasters. Here I have taken Camel Fabrica acrylic paints, light blue, pale emerald, turquoise and white. I added a little bit of Camel acrylic gel medium to give volume to my paints. Now let's start dotting. First make a big dot in the center with white. Then with the smallest tip in the tools, make circles around the dot. Gradually increasing the size of dots with different dotting tools. The dots should be uniform. Follow the guidelines to make circles with the dotting tools. Now I'm adding swipes. To add swipes, there should be a little space between the dots. Keep turning the coaster so that the patterns are uniform from all the sides. Now I'm adding big dots and again swipes around the dots. This looks like a blooming flower. I like to play with different colors and patterns. Now I am satisfied with the outcome, so I repeat the same colors on other coasters. Isn't it beautiful? You can also try making these coasters at home. Do leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.